Welcome to the expanzPLATFORM How to Build a Silverlight Client video. In this video, we step through the process of building a Silverlight client for the sales application we created earlier. To create our sales application, we designed our model objects and defined our activities in Expanz Studio, then used the Expanz templates in Visual Studio to deploy our sales application. Our business logic is reflected in the models, the activities, and any code we wrote to further implement business rules. With our application complete, and in this case deployed, it's time to design and connect its clients. Let's get started. We have Visual Studio 2010 and expanzPLATFORM installed on this computer. From within Visual Studio, create a new project, select Expanz from the list of installed templates, and from the Expanz submenu, select Silverlight 4 Client and click OK. We have a couple of options for designing a client that connects to our application. We can use the Expanz Studio project file. In this case, the project file is called sales.esp. Or we can connect to the web service URI of our deployed application instance and design the client based on the activity definitions we created when we built the application in Expanz Studio. In this video, we'll connect to the web service URI. We paste the web service URI into the web service text box, as shown, then select the site name of the site for which we want to create the client, in this case, the sales application. A window appears showing the activities we created in Expanz Studio. We'll create a form for each of the activity plus style combinations available for this project. For each activity plus style combination, there is both a browse style and a detail style. A screen with a list of items and a screen with a detail view of those items will be created for each activity. The project wizard automatically creates the forms for each of the activities. When we double-click on customers' details, we see that the fields have already been added to the form. These fields can be rearranged as needed. The project includes some style assets, a main container page called mainpage.xaml, and configuration information in the app.xaml file. An activity mapping file is also created, which maps the activities to the forms and also enables you to set the client's default form. The forms can be edited by hand or by using the wizard. Let's take a look at that wizard. Right-click on the form and launch the Expanz Form Builder wizard. Click Next, and Next again, to get to the screen in the wizard where we can remove a field. Let's remove the customer full name field from this form, since it's a calculated field anyway. A window appears alerting us that the file has been modified. Since the field has been removed, the form needs to be reloaded. We reload, and the steps are reflected in the updated form. Okay, let's save our work and start the project. By default, the home screen has a login page. We haven't implemented authentication at this stage, so we can log in as anyone we like. The application is running. We select Customers from the menu, and a list of customers appears. Let's double-click a record and update the customer's discount to 10%. When we refresh the grid, we see that the customer's discount has been updated, reflecting our change. That's it. We've just created a working client that connects to our application in under 5 minutes.